Welcome to this complete Macau China guide. From the moment you step foot in Macau, you'll be taken on a journey where East meets West in the most enchanting way. Here, the rich tapestry of Portuguese and Chinese cultures interweave to create a city that's both vibrant and steeped in history. By day, explore ancient temples and grand ruins, and by night, immerse yourself in a nightlife that truly sparkles. Now, let's dive into the 13 must-do activities in Macau. Our first stop is the iconic ruins of St. Paul SS. This grandiose facade, with its intricate carvings and statues, is all that remains of the once magnificent St. Paul's College and Church. Constructed in the early 17th century by Jesuit missionaries, it was once the largest Catholic church in East Asia. Unfortunately, a fire in 1835 left only the southern stone facade and a grand staircase of 68 steps standing. Today, the ruins of St. Paul's serve as a symbolic testament to Macau's rich colonial history and the blend of Eastern and Western cultures. Next, let's traverse through the charming streets of the historic center of Macau. A designated UNESCO World Heritage Site, this area is like a living museum. It boasts over 20 locations that bear witness to the unique assimilation and coexistence of Chinese and Portuguese cultures in Macau. From the pastel-colored neoclassical buildings to the traditional Chinese shops and temples, every corner of the historic center tells a story of a time gone by. Our journey through history would not be complete without a visit to the Aymar Temple. Nestled at the base of Barra Hill, this temple predates the arrival of the Portuguese, making it the oldest temple in Macau. It's dedicated to the sea goddess Mazu, who is revered by fishermen and seafarers. The Aymar Temple is a complex of pavilions, each dedicated to a different deity. Here you can see worshippers burning incense and making offerings, just as they have done for centuries. The temple is also a splendid example of traditional Chinese architecture, with its ornate carvings and intricate roof decorations. These historical sites provide a fascinating glimpse into Macau's rich past. They are more than just landmarks, they're storytellers, weaving tales of culture, religion, and history. From the time-worn stones of the ruins of St. Paul's to the vibrant streets of the historic center and the serene spirituality of the Aymar Temple, Macau's historical sites invite us to step back in time and delve into a rich tapestry of stories waiting to be discovered. Next, we head to the bustling Senado Square. This lively hub, with its winding paths and vibrant atmosphere, is the very pulse of Macau. Senado Square is a canvas of East meets West, with its Portuguese-influenced architecture and an array of shops and eateries offering a taste of Macau's unique culture. The square is always alive with locals and tourists alike, making it a perfect spot to immerse oneself in the local flavor. But the city's charm doesn't stop there. Towering over the skyline is the iconic Macau Tower. Standing at a staggering 338 meters, it's not just a feast for the eyes, but also an adrenaline junkie's paradise. From its observation decks, you can feast your eyes on panoramic views of the city, the Pearl River, and beyond. For the thrill seekers, there's the world's highest bungee jump, a walk around the outer rim, and a climb to the very top. These landmarks are the heartbeat of Macau, and are not to be missed. Now, for those who love entertainment, Macau has plenty to offer. Let's start with the Venetian Casino. This isn't just a casino, it's a full-blown experience. Its grandeur spans 4 gaming areas, each filled with vibrant energy and the thrilling anticipation of the next big win. You'll find a myriad of games, from roulette to blackjack, poker to baccarat, and everything in between. But remember, the house always has the edge, so play responsibly. Moving from the casino floor to the performance stage, let's dive into the breathtaking spectacle of the House of Dancing water show. This isn't your typical water show, it's an epic love story, told through a dazzling display of acrobatics, gymnastics, and spectacular water stunts. The performers defy gravity and the elements, keeping you on the edge of your seat from start to finish. In Macau, entertainment is always at its best. For the history and motor racing enthusiasts, Macau's museums are a must-visit. Let's start with the Macau Museum, perched on the hill at the Monte Fortress. This museum is a treasure chest of Macau's rich and multicultural history. Walking through its 3 floors, you'll be taken on a journey through time, from the city's early days as a fishing village to its evolution under Portuguese rule and its present-day blend of Eastern and Western cultures. Next, rev up your engines for the Grand Prix Museum. This high-octane tribute to Macau's Grand Prix, which started in the mid-20th century, showcases an impressive collection of vintage and contemporary racing cars and motorbikes. You'll also get an insight into the adrenaline-fueled world of racing with exhibits on famous drivers and thrilling races. These museums are a testament to Macau's diverse cultural and sporting heritage. Macau is not just about history and entertainment, it's a city for explorers. Our first stop on this exploration journey is the Monte Forte, or Fortaleza do Monte. This 17th century fort provides a panoramic view of the city below. While it once served as a principal military defense structure in Macau, today it stands as a testament to the city's rich past. Wandering its grounds, you're transported back in time, imagining the battles and strategies that once took place here. The cannons still stand guard, overlooking the city they once protected, serving as silent reminders of a bygone era. Next, we venture into the heart of Taipa village. This charming enclave is a delightful blend of the old and the new, where east meets west in a harmonious medley. The narrow, winding streets are lined with traditional Chinese shops sitting shoulder to shoulder with contemporary boutiques and cafes. As you stroll through, the aroma of authentic Macanese street food wafts through the air, enticing your senses. The vibrancy of the village is palpable, each corner revealing a new surprise, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Finally, we reach the Macau Fisherman's Wharf. This is not your ordinary wharf, it's a thematic park designed to mimic the landscapes and seascapes from different parts of the world. From a volcano to a Roman amphitheater, visiting the wharf is like taking a whirlwind tour around the globe. The excitement here is tangible, with the sound of laughter echoing from the amusement park, the scent of the sea filling the air, and the sight of the dazzling lights reflecting off the water. It's a place where adventure and fun collide, offering an experience that's as diverse as Macau itself. Exploring these places is like stepping into another world. Each offers a unique perspective of the city, showcasing its multifaceted character and promising an adventure that's as thrilling as it is enlightening. So, are you ready to explore? Finally, after all the excitement, it's time to relax in the Lulim Eok Garden. A sanctuary in the midst of urban Macau, this garden is a testament to the harmonious blend of Chinese and Portuguese influences. As you meander through its winding paths, you'll find yourself immersed in a lush landscape of bamboo groves and towering rock formations. The garden's centerpiece is its stunning lotus pond, a tranquil body of water dotted with delicate water lilies. The sight of koi fish serenely swimming beneath the lily pads is enough to put even the most frazzled minds at ease. And what's that you hear? The melodious chirping of birds, serenading you from the branches of flowering trees. This garden is a living, breathing work of art, a testament to the natural beauty that can flourish amidst the hustle and bustle of city life. The Lu Lim Eok Garden is the perfect place to unwind and reflect on your Macau adventure. So there you have it, 13 must-do activities in Macau. Let's take a moment to reflect on the rich tapestry of experiences we've woven together during this journey. We began by stepping back in time, visiting the ruins of St. Paul S, the historic center of Macau, and the Aymar Temple. Each location a testament to the city's vibrant history and cultural heritage. From there, we ventured into the heart of the city, walking around the bustling Senado Square and looking up at the towering Macau Tower, the city's modern landmark standing tall and proud. We then plunged into the world of entertainment, trying our luck at the Venetian casino and being swept away by the spectacle of the House of Dancing water show. Exciting, isn't it? We also indulged our curiosity at the Macau Museum and the Grand Prix Museum, each offering a unique perspective on the city's past and present. Our exploration continued at the Monte Forte, Taipa Village and the Macau Fisherman's Wharf. Each place a different kind of adventure. Each adventure a different kind of thrill. And finally we found peace and tranquility in the Lu Lim Eok Garden, a serene retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. Whether it's history, entertainment, exploration or relaxation you're after, Macau has it all. Goodbye for now, and we hope to see you soon in Macau.